Welcome to the environmental public hearing of the Eagle LNG natural gas pipeline project. My goal this evening will be to present a description of the proposed facilities, construction, and operations activities, to share with you the location of the preferred route for the natural gas pipeline, and to share the draft results from their environmental studies.
It has been a very interesting session today, primarily in MFA Sabaneta. What we try to do is describe the project to the public, collect some input from them, and that has been taken into consideration for the next steps in the design of the project, especially on the environmental and social aspects of the project. So for this session, we wanted to present the preliminary results that we have collected, and especially on the environmental results. And the benefit is that we have advanced more in the design, the specifics of the project, especially on the pipeline. There was an area that people are asked a lot of questions, because at Sabaneta we only say the pipeline is going to be in this area. However, we could not say, which street is going to go or around the corridor will be. Now we have developed, as you can see, the engineering company was able to explain the routing of the pipeline and how it has a low environmental impact, is safe because the places that we're using to locate the pipeline. And the question then from the audience are more targeted, and it's a different level of conversation. It's less speculation because about, well, we're going to do this, we're going to do that. Now it's more about the actual design that we have. I think the main concern is they realize that the pipeline, by being underground and the layers of safety that is being designed according to the standards that it will be required for a pipeline that goes into a U.S. city, is showing that this happens all over the world, that they're not doing something in Aruba that complies that the code requires for all that. The other thing is about LNG. As you can see, there were some questions. What happens RDA? What are the requirements, the standards? So people are very happy to understand that this is done to the international standards and codes that requires for the industry.
That flavor, right? Or in the state when it comes to Aruba. Most of the people are so reluctant to the project because they hear the word gas, boom. They have that feeling of an explosion, of people being burned and properties being destroyed.
Ownership of the project is going to rely is going to stay 100% under Eagle LNG. Okay, so we design it, we build it, we start operations, and we're going to stay here for the next 20 years. So that's why the design of the project has to be in the construction. It's really that it can survive all the environmental conditions and the social aspects required for a project of this nature during a 20-year period. We are committed to bringing natural gas to Aruba, which is the cleanest burning fuel. And you can see it's in high demand now, the need for transition from fuel oil to natural gas, and not only in the power generation sector, but also you can see on the marine sector, the cruise ships, the marine cargoes are doing that. And I think we're doing it complying with all the environmental aspects of the project, which is a requirement of our way of doing business in the region, because we want to grow our business, and the only way to do that is a sustainable way of approaching this type of projects.
We have a full-field response. Full-field, okay? Yeah. Let's say we have the corporation, 100 megawatt, one part of full-field.
Está aceptable. Valer, Holanda, está aceptable, está bom. No me concern que tuvo me pipa me para volteira, so não tem uma concern. Vai volteira, no problem. Holanda com volteira, América tanto, vai volteira, tá tempo volteira, tá safe. Tá rebater problema. E há bastante problema, web, para o web não tem experiência com gás. Então mostra algo straightforward. Então mostra algo easy.
We have a full-field response. Full-field, okay? Yeah. Let's say we have a corporation, 100 megawatt, one part of full-field.
Nada me conhece, me está supone em local de controlar, tem empregado local de valer para a pressão, a flow, monitor de coisa. Não me conserta o que está passando para o failure. O power failure não pode prevenir. Sorry, can be prevented. Ele vai passar mais. Então que passa para tudo vale ser. Por exemplo, back press da linha. Que está passando a linha que não é full contexto assim. Então, botar back press tremendo da linha com nada make-up, com nada, já, estou em back pressure aí. Esse é mesmo full contexto.